Hello, this is Jared, the owner of Shading Texas. This here is about, I'd say about 18 feet wide and about a 12-foot high screen that we installed on a set of windows. I actually have it in the down position because I really want to show you guys kind of what I say a lot about how tight the screen is pulled from side to side. These can withstand up to 80-mile-an-hour winds. I'm actually going to raise it up here. You can see this is actually on a set of windows that just gets baked in the west sun. Actually, we've had this up now for about a week, and the homeowner let us know that he shot it with a thermal gun, and it's 45 degrees cooler than it used to be, basically with the screen down. So you can see how nice this matches. We actually have the anodized aluminum match with the sills and with the rails that we have going on. Screen is going up here. Once again, you can see how large this screen is. And then when it's up and out of the way, you got the perfect, beautiful views that the homeowner has. Bring this up. Let me take this down once again here. You can see how smooth and effortless it runs. I'm going to do a little close-up here of the tracks in a second. Once again, so this is the tension track screen system, so you can see how tight this is pulled on the inside, pulled all the way across. When you look at this from the side here, look at that, absolutely zero wrinkles on the screen. So anyway, this is Jared, the owner of Shading Texas. You can reach us at www.shadingtexas.com, where we are sun out and life in.